If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To start learning Adobe Acrobat Pro if you are new to the program, first learn the names and locations of the tools in the application interface you need to use to create and edit PDFs. Adobe Acrobat Pro shows different views at different times when using the program. These views include the Home view, the Tools view, the New Document view, and the Current Document view, for example. The Home view is the initial view shown when you directly open Acrobat Pro or when you click the Home button in the title bar. The Tools view lets you see all the tools available in Acrobat. The New Document view shows you options for creating a new PDF file. Finally, the Current Document view shows the content of the currently opened PDF file. The title bar appears at the very top of the application window in every view of Acrobat Pro. At the left end of the title bar is the button Adobe calls the hamburger menu, as its icon of three overlapping horizontal lines resembles a hamburger. Users also often just call this button the menu button. You can click the hamburger menu button to show all the menu commands available in Acrobat Pro in a drop-down menu. This button combines and replaces the menu bar found in older versions of Acrobat. However, Mac users still have separate File, Edit, and View commands available to them instead. The Home button appears to the right of the menu button in the title bar. Clicking this button shows the home screen content below it. The home screen lets you open and find PDF files. Any opened PDF files in Acrobat Pro appear as named tabs to the right of the Home button in the title bar. To switch to an opened PDF file, click its named tab to show its document view content below. The Create button appears to the right of any opened PDF files in the title bar. Clicking this button shows the New Document view below it, which lets you create a new PDF file. The Get Help or Share Feedback button is the leftmost button at the right end of the title bar. You can click this button to select from different help and feedback options. The View Notifications button appears to the right of that. You can click this button to view any notifications in Acrobat Pro. The next button is the View Subscriptions button, which you can click to view other Adobe subscriptions for your currently signed in Adobe account. The Adobe Account button then appears to the right in the title bar. You can click this button to access commands that let you manage your currently signed in Adobe account or sign in or out of the Acrobat Pro software. The Minimize, Maximize or Restore Down, and Close buttons are the final three buttons at the right end of the title bar. Like all Windows applications, these buttons let you control the size of the Adobe Acrobat Pro window on screen within the Windows operating system. Below the title bar in every view in Adobe Acrobat Pro is the top bar. The top bar content changes depending on the view and the activities you perform within the view. Below the top bar, the current view content appears. The next few lessons in the chapter discuss the elements that appear within these areas in each of the main views. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.